Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. In today's video, I decided to install some mini twists and show you guys how I do that. Honestly, I'm tired of doing my hair about every week, so I decided to do some mini twists instead. I like doing mini twists because, they're lightweight, they're a nice protective style, and you already know, because I'm trying to grow my edges back, mini twists are it for me, and it will help me grow my edges back. So if you are interested in seeing how I install my mini twist from beginning to end, stay tuned. My hair is currently blow dried right now, and it's due to the fact that I trimmed my hair earlier. Usually when I do install mini twists, I will do it on, let's say, maybe partly stretch or, freshly washed hair, but I would never like fully blow it out due to the fact that your hair is just going to shrink back up. So it's like all the work that you did to stretch it out is going to be in vain anyways. So usually when I put mini twist in, it's not going to be in its stretch state. I usually will have, partly stretch sort of, or I'm working on wet hair but never fully, blown out look. So I am going to take out my hair out of the ponytail and then show y'all what I'm working with, and then we will get started on how I install these mini twists. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair, and what I like to do is actually part from ear to ear so that I work from the back, and then we will also have a front section. Okay, so I think the line is a little bit better. And then what I do is in the front section, I will part it down the middle, and then what I do is just twist each section, and I will bantu knot it away. So I'm going to be trying a new cream for my twist. It's not necessarily new. I've used it before and I was not 100% sold on it, but we're gonna give it another try. And that is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. We're going to try with this and hopefully it works, well. So that's the line I've parted. Now, I said mini twist, but we're really not going to do it that small because it's going to take forever, and ain't nobody got time for that. Considering I'm doing this at 5 o'clock in the morning and I have work in 5 hours. So I start these twists out by first wetting my hair, but not too much. And then we're gonna go in with the Shea Moisture. Then I will follow it with my Ayurvedic oil. Then we will part the hair into 3 sections and braid those 3 sections down about 4 or 5 times. And then once that's done, I will separate the hair into 2 and start twisting down all the way down to the ends. I know you guys can't see it all that well, but when I get to the front, I will give you guys a closer look of how I actually really do it. Hey guys, so I am back. As you can see, I am almost done twisting my hair. I have 3 sections left here and a couple in the front left, and which I decided to leave so that I could show you guys a closer look on how I do my mini twist. What I am going to do is clip this part of my hair away, and then clip these two away also. So I already sectioned them. What I do is I add my water, not too much. We go in with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. And then we will seal with our oil. Then I comb with the rat tail. And what I do is take a section here, just evenly part my hair into 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to start braiding. So go this way, that way, and I like to do it tight at the root, not too tight, but tight enough. And then you start braiding, and then once you get a little ways down, I take the middle one, separate that in half, and then start twisting. If I see that the ends are starting to dry, I will go back in with a little bit of the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then I just keep on going. Since this part is starting to end, I'm going to take a bit from the other side and add it to it, and we're just going to keep going. I try to twist all the way to the end, and then when I can't go anymore, I will coil it around my finger so that it does not unravel. So you're first going to spray with water, but not too much water. Go in with some Shea Moisture to moisturize, then some oil, a rat tail comb to comb it out, and then I will part my hair in 3 sections. Try to make it as even as possible, and then with the 3 sections, we take and start braiding down, making sure my root is tight as possible. And then once I've braided down, about 3 rounds where I got enough of the braid, I'm going to separate the middle so that it's even on each side. Then we start twisting. And you just keep on going. If the end starts to dry off, add some Shea Moisture, and then just keep on twisting. Get to the end, and you're gonna just wrap it around your finger like so, and that's it. So I just continue doing the same thing throughout my hair, especially in the front, paying attention to the parts, because sis, you can't have your hair be looking crazy. So I'm trying to make sure my parts are looking right and pristine, okay? I'm gonna say also for the Shea Moisture, I loved it. Like, it really kept my hair very well moisturized. That paired up with the oil, I think I was able to go about like 2 weeks, before your girl had to re-moisturize again. So I definitely recommend with the Shea Moisture. And to help just make time pass, I was watching, The Nanny, because I love The Nanny. and it just made that 4-hour process pass by in like 2 hours. So I would recommend watching something to make it go faster for you. So guys, I am done twisting my hair finally. We are done, and this is how it's looking, you know. Parting is not looking too bad, you know, and everything. Honestly, we got some in there that's small, some of them that are medium size. The goal was to have twists in my hair, so I tend to do the ones on top smaller usually anyways, so I'm not, you know, too worried about that. And you know, it's looking pretty full for me to tie up and do many styles with it. But I'm going to try to turn around so that you guys can see how the back, you know, is looking like. But yeah, this is how I install my mini twist. Again, I like doing it this way, especially braiding the root first, because it makes your hair look neater and it also stay fresh longer compared to if you were to just twist your hair. What would happen is, like, in 2 to 3 days later, then your hair is going to start to look old, and that's not what we want. So with this, my hair stays, you know, fresh even longer, which would help me reach my 1-month goal of keeping these in. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified the next time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.